Hi, my name is Stu Adler, professor of chemical engineering at the University of Washington. Before creating this program, my colleagues and I spoke to a lot of people in the battery arena, including prospective students and employers, and also folks involved with the NatBack Consortium, which published an exhaustive study of educational needs across the rechargeable battery industry. From these discussions, two things came across very clearly. First, an almost universal opinion was that students need and want some level of hands-on training, not just academic book knowledge, but also some level of practical skills in how to conduct battery measurements and interpret electrochemical data. Second, almost all prospective students we spoke to wanted a part-time remote program that they could take without requiring a hiatus from their career to pursue a graduate degree. The UW Continuum College, which hosts this and other graduate certificates at UW, was largely created to address students in this situation. On the face of it, being remote and also hands-on seem like completely opposite requirements, but we think we've found a unique way around this. As a student in the program, you'll receive an electrochemical measurement kit that includes, among other things, a small but fully featured potentiostat for doing your own battery measurements at home. This will allow you to conduct the same measurements, although at a smaller scale, as those used in full-sized industrial and academic laboratories. Besides providing a hands-on experience, these experiments also drive in-class discussion of topics related to battery behavior and performance. Education research shows that this kind of discovery-driven approach is actually much better for deep and long-lasting learning. In addition, all students in the program will spend 2 weeks in Seattle doing hands-on training with full-scale battery manufacturing and testing equipment at the Washington Clean Energy Testbeds. This does require students to give up 2 weeks of their career and/or vacation time, but we think it's worth it both for the hands-on training in real-world equipment and materials, but also for the great networking opportunities. UW Clean Energy Institute is a nexus of battery research and development activities involving over 100 companies, UW faculty, and other students with interest in batteries and renewable energy. This has served as a great recruiting vehicle for companies and students alike. The program comprises a total of 4 3-credit courses and a 1-credit seminar on current battery topics. The program starts with some of the key underpinning concepts of electrochemical engineering and then builds on this throughout the program, covering many important advanced battery engineering and manufacturing topics. If you've not had any electrochemistry before, don't worry, we'll cover everything you need to know. Also, your classmates come from a variety of backgrounds: chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, material science, electrical engineering, chemistry, and physics. So another objective of the course is to create some common language and understanding that is shared across all these various disciplines. If you're a chemie, you'll learn some electrical stuff. If you're an electrical engineer, you'll learn some chemistry. Please don't be afraid to ask questions and donate your unique perspective in class. This is always going to elevate the discussion and help build a common understanding which benefits everybody.